This video is going to be on how to create a momentum or high a day scanner within TradeStation. And you're going to see here on the left, I have TradeStation pulled up, and on the right, I have Trade Ideas. And Trade Ideas, this is their gapping stocks or pre-market stocks that are moving. And you'll see the timestamp here at 8:47 in the morning for Trade Ideas, and right over here for TradeStation 8:43. So right off the bat, there is a little bit of a delay with TradeStation compared to Trade Ideas. So Trade Ideas is the most popular, probably day trading scanner that's out there because you get the real-time data and it's pretty quick and there's a lot of different parameters that you can set up, which I'm going to show you how to create a basic, setup within TradeStation. It doesn't have all of the bells and whistles that Trade Ideas does, but it gives you just enough where it's going to be pretty close, where you can mirror things, and it's good where it's picking up stocks in the pre-market. But then, I'll pause this video after I'm making it in the pre-market, and then when the live market opens, you'll see how a lot more of the stocks on TradeStation pull up from Trade Ideas. So it pulls a lot of the similar stocks. So let's take a look at a few of the similar stocks. I'll show you the basic parameters that I have set up in TradeStation, and you can, again, tweak them the way that you like, and then I'll pause the video and come back when the market is live. So you'll see right over here, there's ACON right over here on TradeStation, and then right over here to the right, you have ACON with Trade Ideas. BTCT, same thing over here. Mara, I don't see Mara on here. Now, also too, you're going to see there's a whole bunch of stocks that are pulling up here on Trade Ideas. So that there's, you can you'll see on the parameters that I have here, different volume parameters and float. But I just kind of wanted to show you how, Trade Ideas can pull up a lot more stocks, but then again, do you really need that many stocks, right? So the more that you kind of zone in and give better parameters, you can tweak it. So I could tweak Trade Ideas over here and have it pull up less stocks as well. But you'll see also TRNR. So 3 of the top ones are pulling up over here. So just to show you here the parameters that I have set up with TradeStation, you'll see when I click Edit Scan, and this is again where you can tweak it the way you like. I have stocks between $1 and $20. So this is for a momentum day trading scanner. You can have higher price stocks. You can tweak it. You could do it $3 to $20, $3 to $10, $1 to $10, whatever you'd like. So I have stocks between $1 to $20 with a close on the day or previous day of 5%. You can tweak it, let's say, to 3% or higher or lower. I have volume at, what is this one, 3 million. And then I have float less than 250 million. So the lower the float, the more volatile the stocks are. So again, you can change these parameters to however you'd like. You could do under 100 million, 120 million, under 50 million. So this is just kind of a basic, kind of a lower float kind of scanner. And you'll see, let's just do a test here. Let me do, I can remove the parameter of float and see if it pulls up any more stocks. So you get a few more. Let's see if any of these are pulling up on Trade Ideas. ETHU, 8 million. Not seeing that one pull up. Mara at 3 million. Not seeing that one pull up. MSTU, 9 million. No. So again, some of them might pick up. That's the other thing too. TradeStation might be good, might pull up some other ones, and vice versa. But again, this is just pre-market, and you don't want, again, a ton of stocks. You want to kind of zone in and, build your watch list. But this, again, I'm going to pause this video before I go any further. Again, show you these parameters before I come back. This is where you can kind of change things under select criteria. So when you click the drop down for select criteria, this is where you can change things right here. So again, you could do options. This is for high a day or momentum scanner, but there's so much that you can do with options and higher cap stocks and stuff like that. But wanted to kind of just really show you that to do a real, a high a day or momentum scanner, you don't need a lot of parameters, and you don't necessarily need to spend $150 or $100 a month on these day trading scanners. When if you use TradeStation and you have their platform, you can set up the parameters and get a really good scanner. All right, so now I'm back during live market hours. You'll see the time here is 9:36 a.m. I want to clarify with the delay here on TradeStation. You can get real time when you click run. So you just have to click run, which is not a bad thing. So if you just kind of go back to your scanner, if you're in your layouts and you come back over here, once you click run again, then it pulls up the real time data, right? So when you come over here to trade ideas, this is where I want to show you. This is pretty darn good for TradeStation. And going back to the parameters that I have here, stocks between $1 and $20, up 5% on the day, at least 3 million volume, float less than 250 million. Again, you can tweak those the way that you'd like, but you'll see TradeStation, Acon has Acon at the top over here with trade ideas, BBAI right down over here with trade ideas, BTCT over there, CAN right there, CLSK right here, CTM, there it is, Holo, you have Holo right over there, Mara should be on here. There's Riot, which is over there. I don't see Mara, maybe Mara somewhere on here. Yeah, I don't see it as I'm scanning. NOK right there, Riot, boom, and then TRNR. So again, for a high day momentum scanner, 9:30 in the morning, pretty much mirroring trade ideas. And again, I don't have trade ideas really tweaked. I have it pulling up kind of a broad selection. But for stocks that are running on the day, high day, very simple parameters coming in over here for just basic price, percentage on the day, volume, and float. So something I want to show you, just because I have that momentum scanner already created. When you're creating a new one, it pulls up a lot of the data, or pulls up the data by default from my previous scan. So you'll see untitled workspace. I went up here, did a new workspace, and when I did the new workspace and I go to new application, this is where you click on creating that scanner. So it's new application under workspace and then scanner. But when I do that, it's pulling up my current data over here. But something what I want to show you is when you create that new scan, I clicked on new stock. So let's do a test here. Let's just do something for options. Let's see if this works here. This is a trial. So when I was creating new high a day scanner or momentum, I just would title it momentum scanner or new high a day scanner. This one's just going to be a test here. Hopefully it works. What I want to show you here, I'm clicking options, next. Aha, perfect. So this is exactly what I want to show you. When I click here, this is where I clicked on all stocks to get this data. But you can change the selection down here to specific. If you didn't want to do all stocks, you can do to specific exchanges. But this is really key. How I got to the parameters of that data, I clicked in here and checked off all stocks first. Now you can exclude ones down here too. You can exclude ETFs or certain things that you'd like to exclude. And then you can click next. And this is how I got to those parameters. So I kind of wanted to show you how I got there before. And then this is kind of where I started fresh. So you're going up to that new layout. So a new workspace layout, the new the applications, and then scanners. But that's where I'm glad that this worked on the test. It shows you how fresh, how to start fresh. So again, file, you can go to new workspaces. Let's actually try this right here, see what happens here. New scanner, okay, perfect. New application scanner. So either way, workspace, as long as you're getting a blank workspace over here, and then new application, or under Apple, what was it? Yeah, new application, and then scanner. And then make sure you click all stocks if you want to get kind of the same setup that I have over here. And then again, just to kind of reiterate, data, edit, scan, this is where you can change the parameters how you like. But just before I end this video, we'll go back to trade ideas and we'll run the scan again. Just click run. You see how quick it is, and it pulls it right up, and you'll see these stocks for, look, TBLA is down here now. So For 9:46 in the morning, pretty darn good, and it's pulling up a lot of the stocks that are pulling up on Trade Ideas. So hopefully this video on creating a momentum or high day scanner within TradeStation helps you. We do have several other videos on TradeStation if you want to learn more about their platform, a lot of tutorials we have created on our YouTube channel. So make sure to check out our playlist for TradeStation on our YouTube channel.